Hello guys, this is Sesh. Welcome to my another video, and today we are going to discuss about something else, not traveling or the places. This is different topic, I think a bit technical, and I would say this is all about this, and I think few of you already might have known about this. This is DJI. This is DJI Mavic Air. I have got it recently, 2 days back, and today we are going to discuss about how much it costed me. It costed me way lesser than 65,000, and DJI authorized sellers are in India are selling it for more than 70,000. So I'll tell you the price, how much I got this for, and how I got this. So let's get into the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yes, here we go. This is the drone I have got in the package, and this is pretty much cool. Yeah, this is a drone. This is a drone. This is a controller I have got. This got the Mavic Air branding. And an adapter to charge the batteries. And along with that I have got 3 batteries. And a charging dock. You have to put the batteries in this way. Yeah, these are intelligent smart batteries, it's like for example, if you're putting this, if for example this battery has 50% and this is totally dead, so this charging hub, what does it do? It will charge the 50% battery first and later the empty one. Yeah, this is very interesting. I have got a small piece of hub kind of thing, and this works as a power bank. And if you have a battery and you have to just plug in along with the battery, and you have a USB port over here, and you can use this as a power bank now. This is a power bank now. What I have got, yeah. And I have one more side zip here, and this is a power cable for the adapter, and these are propeller guards, and this is a charging cable for the drone. You can directly charge the drone. Yeah, and this is Android plug-in. You have this is I'm using iOS, so I have iOS plug here. So this is Android phones plugin, and this is a bag I have got along with the package. And I have one more small case which is used to carry the drone. and I have a pair of extra propellers, and I have taken a Flymo combo, so I have got a pair of extra propellers along with this. So this is pretty much I've got in the package: propellers, drone, controller, adapter, and 3 batteries and a charging hub and a case and extra propellers. Yeah, this is pretty much what I have got in the Flymo combo. Yes, you have seen all the things what I have got in the Flymo combo bag, and let's now discuss about the price and how I got this. In India, actually, there are very few authorized dealers. Like we have in Mumbai, Pune. I would say it's Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Delhi, and it will cost you around more than 70,000, 75, 74,000. But I'll disclose the price at the end of the video and how much I got this for. Actually, the story behind this is one of my friend's brother is flying from United States, and I have asked him to get DJI Mavic Air for me, and I know few of me might ask me that exporting the drone is illegal in India. So I have taken risk for myself and asked him to get a drone for me for $900. And the thing what you need to do is, if your relatives or friends are coming from United States, you need to ask them to pull out these propellers and take out this battery and keep the battery in a check-in luggage, and I'm sorry, keep the battery in cabin luggage, and put this drone and propeller separately in the check-in luggage, so that if a customs is scanning you, they might think of some kind of a piece of electronic junk, and so probably they'll not be getting any doubts, because these wings will be folding like this, and like this. So you need to carry the batteries, the propellers, and the drone separately, and you can you can get this from United States, if for example if your friends or relatives are coming from United States. So it costed me 54 to 56,000, I would say. I have ordered a 128 GB memory card, so it costed me 56,000 along with the drone. So this is how you can get a drone for 56,000. And for example, if you're buying in India, you'll not be getting any warranty, and it's once you step out of the shop, that's on all your own. So if I want to get a warranty, I have to take this back to United States and get this repaired and get back from United States. But it's like no warranty on this in India. So this is how I got a drone, and if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you on another video.